is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 9. Find the value of root cube 2B plus root over 4 into A. Root over cube 2B is equal to 2. Root 4 into A is equal to 2 into A. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So root cube 2b plus root over 4a is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Find the sum of minus a, minus bc and minus square b. When a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Square b is equal to 12. BC is equal to 15 and square b is equal to 12. So minus a plus minus bc plus square b is equal to minus 2 minus 15 minus 12 is equal to minus 29. Find the value of square b minus b square c plus c square d minus d square a minus bc square when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3 and d is equal to 4. The given expression 1 square into 2 minus 2 square into 3 plus 3 square into 4 minus 4 square into 1 minus 2 into 3 square is equal to 2 minus 12 plus 36 minus 16 minus 18 is equal to 38 minus 46 is equal